Sometimes, the choice comes down to automation style, and that's exactly the case with 3Commas versus Pionex, two popular crypto trading platforms that specialize in bots but take different approaches. 3Commas is a web-based platform that integrates with major exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase Pro. Its biggest selling point is the variety of customizable bots, from simple grid bots to more advanced DCA, dollar cost averaging, and options strategies. You can fine-tune every parameter, connect TradingView signals, and even copy trade from other users. This flexibility is great for traders who already have a strategy in mind and want to automate it across multiple exchanges. On the other hand, Pionex is an actual cryptocurrency exchange with built-in bots. You don't need API keys or third-party connections. Everything runs natively on Pionex's infrastructure. While it offers fewer customization options than 3Commas, its grid trading bot, spot futures arbitrage bot, and rebalancing bot are ready to go without complex setup. This makes it more beginner-friendly, especially for users who just want to turn a bot on and let it run. 3Commas gives you more control, backtesting options, and integration flexibility, but it also comes with a steeper learning curve and a monthly subscription fee. Pionex, meanwhile, charges no extra fee for bots beyond standard trading fees, making it cheaper for long-term passive strategies. In terms of risk management, 3Commas offers smart trade terminals, trailing stop losses, and advanced take-profit rules. Pionex's tools are simpler, but still cover basics like stop-loss and take-profit orders. Both platforms operate in the cloud, so you don't need to keep your device online, and both have mobile apps for monitoring trades on the go. The decision really comes down to whether you want a flexible, exchange-agnostic bot framework, 3Commas, or a plug-and-play exchange with pre-built bots, Pionex. For experienced traders seeking detailed control and multi-exchange coverage, 3Commas is hard to beat. For beginners, or those who value simplicity and low cost, Pionex is a solid choice.